By now, I'm sure you've realized that garlic or lasun is my absolute favorite flavor. And I also know that there are more like me in the room. This recipe is for people like me. I'm making Lehsuni Chicken. Hey guys, it's me Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Let's begin. Well, Lehsuni Chicken is more of a made-up recipe. It's not a traditional recipe from any state in the country. This is more of a home-style chicken where garlic predominantly rises and takes importance in this recipe. It's very quick, very simple, very easy, very jhatpat kind of recipe, and all the ingredients are from your kitchen pantry. First things first, we need to grind a fine and smooth paste of the red onions, of course, along with a lot of other things. This is the only spice mix that we're going to use while making Lehsuni chicken. So this is where the flavor lies. Let's add in coriander seeds. These are untoasted. Along with this, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, Garam Masala, garlic. Well, these are cloves of garlic. These are some 8-10 of these. You can increase, you can decrease, but there's more garlic in the recipe in the form of complete whole pods. To this, I'm also adding in green chilies, and along with this, coriander leaves. We grind this into a coarse paste, and then we add in the tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients. Our spice paste is done and ready. I've not added even a touch of water because onions have done their job beautifully well. To this, I'm adding in red chilies. You can add it according to the spice that you or your family prefer. To this, I'm adding in ripe red tomatoes, nice and bright. And along with this, half a cup of dahi. Let's grind this further into a nice and smooth paste. Our spice paste is done and ready. Let's move on to the next step, and that is cooking the chicken. A wok on high flame, and this is predominantly flavored with ghee. Let's add in a generous amount of ghee. Well, ghee and garlic is quite a classic combination, and with chicken and the spices coming in, it's just going to be fantastic. Once the ghee heats up, we're going to temper this with bay leaves. And along with this, like I promised and said, lots of garlic in this recipe. I'm adding in the entire pods of garlic. Well, you need to take very good quality of garlic in this case. To this, I'm going to add in chicken, which is curry cut. Let's toss this well. All we need to do is ensure that the chicken gets nice and golden on the outside, and that's when we'll add in the rest of the spices. But for now, salt as required. Well, of course, I've used garlic in this recipe because it's a wonderful and one of my most favorite ingredients ever to be used. But I'm also using it because garlic also has medicinal properties. Well, India is getting nice and nippier with each passing day because winters have kind of seeped in. In this weather, garlic is wonderful for health reasons because it helps you with proper respiration, it gives you higher energy levels, it lowers your cholesterol. It's wonderful an ingredient. It's also antibacterial, it's antifungal. I've also heard that in olden times, sports stars or athletes used to use garlic to increase their energy levels. So yeah, if you're one of those, you can also eat raw garlic if you feel and prefer. I'm also adding in the spice mix, which is done and ready at this stage. Let's scrape in all the beautiful goodness and give this a good mix. We need to stir this on high flame till the ghee starts releasing the sides of the pan, and that's when we cover this and wait for the chicken to get cooked. Time to cover this and allow this to cook on low to medium flame for at least 15 minutes. With this, our Lehsuni chicken is done and ready. A quick check. Let's stir this before everything. At this stage, you can check for salt, its texture, consistency. If you like it nice and thick, like that, you can have it with naan, roti, kulcha, paratha, chapati, or you can add in a cup full of water, give it a quick boil. Also at that stage, add in a touch of salt, and that's only for the remaining water content. A quick boil. With this, your quick, simple, easy Lehsuni chicken, using of course home style ingredients, is done and ready. Well, this recipe also reinstates the fact of how much I love garlic. This recipe is specially for all the garlic lovers out there. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and wait for what next the Bombay chef gets into your kitchen.